Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try On. Today we're trying out Le Creuset's Enamel on Steel casserole. We spotted this casserole at the Le Creuset outlet, where instead of $62, we took home this new pot for $41. I since realized that you could order this at the outlet price online, so greatness all around. This casserole is 20 centimeters. It is about 8 inches high, 3.7 liters, or 3 7/8 quarts. I loved the light pink and the light ombre blue colors, although we brought this home in the Vapeur color. I will pull up the manual here, so if you want to take a better look, you can go ahead and pause the video. One thing I wanted to highlight that felt noteworthy was that this item had a 5-year warranty, whereas most Le Creuset items have a lifetime warranty. Perhaps there's a rhyme or reason to this. If you know about it, please be sure to share it in the comments below. Again, I really just loved this material. I'm not positive I love the big Le Creuset writing on the front. Tried to peel it off and nope, can't do that. There was also a sticker on the bottom, which we tried to take off, and yes, that one is removable, of course. So we will take that off a little later with some lighter fluid. Overall, this is such a really cute product that I can't wait to start using. One concern I did have with this pot was because of its silky material, whether it would allow us to perch open the lid, and we tried it out and it works, so no fear there. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more.